Today I'm going to show you about the science in our homes. Hello Mom, what are you doing?
I am cleaning these puja vessels made of copper.
But they look so dirty.
I have a magic science in our kitchen. With that, they will be sparkling shine. Want to know how?
Yes. My mom has finally taught me the magic. Let me show you how. Here I have tarnished copper vessels and then citric acid along with tamarind. Now let's put this down. And now I will clean this vessel. And look at it, it's looking so shiny. Now let's take a little bit of tamarind and try it. And see, even tamarind works.
How does this work? Well, copper reacts with moist carbon dioxide in the air to form copper carbonate. As a result, copper vessel loses its shiny brown surface, forming a green layer of copper carbonate. The citric acid present in the lemon or tamarind neutralizes the base's copper carbonate and dissolves the layer. That is why tarnished copper vessels are cleaned with lemon or tamarind juice to give the surface of copper vessels its characteristic luster. This is the spaced filling model of copper carbonate, and this is how it looks in the lab. So next time when you see copper vessels, you will realize the chemistry in our houses.